Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the account details so messages can route to the right place. Open Settings, tap your name, and confirm the rescue email or phone. Make sure your device shows active Wi-Fi or cellular, and that date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect time blocks tokens. If you have other signed-in devices, sign out temporarily to prevent push conflicts. Once done, try requesting a verification code again so the system has a clean, synchronized state to respond to. Now you actively request and collect the code. On the device, go to Password and Security and tap Get Verification Code. This generates a local code independent of SMS. If you cannot access that device, request a code through the Apple ID account page or watch for an iMessage alert on trusted Apple devices. Meanwhile, inspect your Messages app for blocked or filtered senders and confirm your carrier hasn't barred short codes. Make sure SMS forwarding isn't redirecting codes away from the device you're using. Finish by forcing a fresh connection and refreshing account links. Reboot the device and briefly toggle airplane mode so the network and push services reconnect, then re-attempt the code request. If that fails, remove and re-add the trusted phone number or device in your Apple ID security settings so Apple can rebuild the trust list. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: gather device serial, exact timestamps, and screenshots. Then contact Apple support so they can trace delivery and system logs to resolve the block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.